Hello, everyone. Good morning. How has the challenge been going? I hope you're getting there. I also want to appreciate those of us that has been submitting the task. So for today, we are going to be learning other ways we can create flyers without having to go to Pinterest to get our flyer and all that. So another way you're going to be creating this flyer is you come to ChatGPT. You're going to give ChatGPT a prompt, or you design your you tell ChatGPT what your business is all about, then ask it for prompt. So I'm going to be describing what my own business is all about. Like, you first of all tell it the business type, tell it your target audience, you know, you can add your brand colors, you can add your location, like how do you want the the tone of the flyer to be? Should it be friendly or professional? you know then, do you want minimalistic design or very bold design? Flyer size, if the flyer is for Instagram, if it's for TikTok, or if it's for Facebook, you're going to indicate. Then contact information. So here I'm going to be giving a prompt to my ChatGPT to tell it what my business is all about, and I'll ask it to create a prompt for me. Then I will now use it. So let me get the prompt. Okay, so this is what I have given ChatGPT. I told it to act as an expert graphic designer, create a prompt for me to design a flyer for my website design agency. My target audience are business owners who need a website. My brand colors are green. The tone should be professional, minimal, and luxury design. The flyer is for Facebook. Add contact information. So we send. So in your own, you're actually going to be describing your business. Let's say maybe a fashion designer, you're going to describe this your business here. You're going to add everything you want. Let's say you even have an idea of the kind of pictures you want it to add. Let's say, for example, I want it to add image of websites and maybe shopping and all those things. I'm going to include it in this prompt, in this message I sent to ChatGPT. So, but I just use this as an example. So if you're designing for, let's say you want to design a flyer now for a birthday, you can go further to describe what you want. Just describe it detail, as much detail as you can, you know. So, and these are all the descriptions. So this is what it has given us. So yeah, so let's see, it has given us a prompt. So now we're going to now copy this prompt, right? Let's see. We're going to copy it. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we are now going to copy this prompt and um edit it, like these places that you need your contact details. You're going to add it. So I copy and I go to a new chat, then I paste it. So when I paste it, I will not see anything ChatGPT go give you. You should always look at it and edit it to suit your own, right? So I want to edit the contact details to match mine. So I'll come here, I'll remove this number and put my own number, then my email address. I will add my email address. Okay, I'll add my email address. Then here I can also add my website. Oh, sorry. So, thank you. So I don't want to add my Instagram handle. I'll just remove this. So you can see these are also these are everything. So you look at it and see everything is good. Okay, we'll now send the prompt and wait for it to. Uh-oh. Okay, he's still writing the prompt again. He still went ahead to rewrite the prompt. So let's just tell it to design the flyer. Okay, let's see what it will give us. So while we are waiting for ChatGPT, let's copy this prompt, and also we go to Gemini, create image, and you paste your prompt. Remember, if you have your brand logo, you always attach it here as a file. You always attach it as a file, so they will use your logo and add your logo. Or you can always go to Canva and edit and add your logo, whichever one works. So we place the prompt here, and we send it. Okay, so let's see if ChatGPT have finished creating. Okay, so creating, and Gemini have started. So let's wait for it to finish designing the flyer, and let's see what it came up with. Okay, yeah, you can see this is actually what ChatGPT came up with. This is what it came up with. Let me open it full. So this is what it came up with. Remember I told you Facebook size. So I think with ChatGPT now, you can change your size. Like, let's say you don't want it this way again, you want it to be square. If you click here, it's going to change the aspect ratio. So you can see it's changing the aspect ratio for me. So let's see what it comes up with. Oh, no, I'm not writing code. So let's see if, okay, yeah, what happened? Oh yeah, so this is what Gemini gave us. So this is what Gemini gave us, but I always prefer ChatGPT's way of design. So yeah, so let's wait for it to give us another aspect ratio. So you can see this is already good. This is good. So let's say this is just a way you can come to ChatGPT, describe your business for it. You can even tell it, you can even go back to that chat where we got the prompt and tell it to give you like other 10 different prompts, so you can create 10 different flyers. So I can tell it to give me 10 different prompts for flyers. Okay, yeah, so it's going to also give me. So now when it gives me, so if I'm posting my business every day, like I need to be pasting my graphic designs every day, I don't need to bug myself, I just come here, I copy the prompt, and I create. And you see, my business is ongoing every day, and I have flyer for my business every day. So this is actually how, yeah, you can see it have resized it for us. So this is how you can create flyers for your business. So let's say I don't like anything here, I don't like any, but there's something I don't like here. I can take this to, remember the way we use ChatGPT, we use the sorry we use Canva to edit some things. So maybe this logo here is not my logo, I'm going to use Canva, edit them, and make it suit. So this is how you can get ideas to design flyers for your business or for your clients or anything. So if you don't want to go to ChatGPT to Pinterest to get ideas, you can also do this, and you easily get inspirations for your flyers every day. Like you can see now, it has given me 10 flyers. So let's say I need to be posting like 3 flyers for my business on my wall every week. You can see with this prompt now, I've gotten like flyers that I'll create for at least 3 weeks in my business, for my business, right? So this way is just simply how you create a flyer for your business. I'm going to be attaching a task for today. Then after today's class, we are going to the challenge will be ending tomorrow. I want us to have a live class tomorrow, or maybe we will decide if tomorrow is not okay, we can have it within this week, before this week ends, a live class where we are going to ask our questions, and we are asked I will answer them. It's just going to be like a 1 hour live section. Okay, please, if you have any question, don't forget to ask them in the comment section. Okay.